friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about how to make the perfect sales pitch. I've been in the selling profession for many years now, and I truly believe that serving is selling and selling is serving. And if you understand exactly how to sell the right people in the right way, then you will be able to do the things that you've always wanted to do within this tremendous profession. So please listen up, because I'm about to share some very special techniques that will change your life. So please listen up. So let me get into this by saying that I use a principle called the AIDA technique. AIDA, attention, interest, decision, and action. Basically, AIDA is used in every single transaction that is made in this world. First, you have to get the attention of the people that you want to serve. If you look at anything you've ever bought, most likely you've bought it because it has gotten your attention. Now, once you get the attention of your prospect or your future customer, eventually you have to get their interest. Because there's no way they're going to buy unless they're interested. You see, anyone can get attention. You could put up a billboard on the highway and it will get the attention of thousands of people. But it doesn't mean that it's going to get their interest. You could write a tremendous article and publish it on all the biggest magazines in the world, and it will get the attention of millions of people. But it does not mean that it will get the right people interested in what you have to sell. So once you get the attention of the people that you want to reach, you have to get their interest. You have to focus on what they want and also find a way to get them what they need. And then the third step is to get them to make a decision. Now that you've gotten the attention of the people you want to reach, they've become interested. Now that they're interested in what you're offering, they now need to make a decision based on the presentation that you give them. Now, every time you give a presentation, you have to make sure that they're completely aligned with everything that you're sharing. Because if they're not, they will lose attention and eventually they will lose interest in your proposition. Now, assuming that you've got their attention and their interest and they've made a decision, finally they have to take action, which is the fourth step. You cannot close a deal or make a transaction unless you get the person to take action. There's been so many times where sales have been blown because someone has made a decision, but they haven't taken action on their decision. You might think, wow, someone said they wanted to buy something, but they didn't complete the deal? That happens all the time. Many people have decided to buy a house or a car or some other purchase, but then they talk to their wife or their husband, or they consult with someone else who talks them out of that transaction. And all of a sudden, they cannot take action on the decision that they already made. And so what I want you to do is to figure out how to get people to take action. You need to motivate and provide incentives that allows them to act on the decision that they know is right. Because the fact is that if they find value in your offer, then every single person is going to be benefited. They're going to be benefited by what they're buying, and you're going to be benefited by what you're selling. And so everyone benefits when a sale is made. In fact, nothing moves without a sale. Everything around you has been sold, and selling is the oldest profession of all time. And if we understand our role in sales, then we'll be serving a lot of people along the way. Now, I want you to think about the AIDA principle in everything you do. For instance, think about when a man decides to propose to his future wife. Before the proposal even happens, there's so many years that it takes in order to set it up. For example, you have to get the attention of the spouse you want to marry. Then you have to get them interested through a series of dates and conversation. And then you get them to make a decision by engaging with them in a way that you know is going to be beneficial to your relationship. And then finally, you take action by finding the proper ring and getting down on your knee and proposing to them. Now, every time you pitch someone, you have to understand that it doesn't take that long to make your pitch. For example, it might take years to set up the sale, your proposal, but it only takes 1 minute to grab the ring, to get on your knee, and to ask for marriage. Every single pitch could be made within a minute, but setting up that pitch could take hours, days, weeks, months, or even years. And so what I want you to do is to understand the nature of every single transaction that you ever make, from the smallest deals to the biggest deals. Once you understand the AIDA principle, it will change the course of your life. You could be a regular person employed with a basic job, and you could still use the AIDA principle every single day in every single way. My friends, this is Daniel Alley, and I just shared with you exactly how to make the perfect pitch. If you understand this video and you want to apply this method in your life, make sure to type yes in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and share this video with everyone else that you meet in your life. Remember to get the attention, interest, decision, and action from the people you want to inspire. My friends, this is Daniel Alley, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.